Hey, it's Sage. Welcome back to Saige Advice. We're still in our spring cleaning mode and we're tackling our kitchen this week. It's really simple to tackle your kitchen. First, you're going to start off in your pantry. You're going to get rid of any of those old expired food items. Then you're going to go through and any of those food items that you know you're just not going to eat, go ahead and donate them. They don't need to be taking up space in our pantries. Next, we're going to be tackling our cabinets. Our cabinets, we're going to go through all of our cutlery, our dishes, our pots and pans, and you can get rid of all the ones that are chipped or that you just don't use anymore. And finally, in order to keep and maintain this as a clutter-free space, we're going to go and we're going to put a basket on our counter space or wherever you see fit, and you're just going to throw items that don't belong in your kitchen throughout the week there. Set a designated time that you're going to go through this bin each week and then put it in its rightful spot. Thanks for joining Saige Advice, and we look forward to seeing you next week.